welcome to Foodscapes. Today we'll do a simple and sweet dish called bread pops. Yes, it's a yummy kids snacks. You can prepare it for their birthdays or for the parties, and it has relatively simple ingredients. So let's have a look in the kitchen and get preparing these chocolate bread pops. So for this dish we are going to require brown bread. So I have taken 10 slices of brown bread. I have some melted butter over here, some powdered sugar, and these are the sprinkles that we are going to use towards the end. You would also require some chocolate spread. You can choose any brand of your choice. And let's start with the procedure. Okay, so I'm just going to take these 4 slices and break them and run them into a mixer to get a good powder. Okay, so that's how the bread should look like. We'll do the same with the rest of the bread. Alright, so bread is ready over here. What we need to do is make a nice dough out of it. So I am using the regular Amul butter, 2 spoons of it. I'm using 2 spoons of Nutella. We need to give this a good mix and make a nice dough out of it. You can also add just a 1 spoon of powdered sugar to this, just to have that sweetness intact. This is a very quick, easy and kids loving dish. I hope you all will like it, and do mention it in the comments section. How did you find this dish? This is how the dough looks like. At any point, if you feel that the dough is not gathering well, what you can do is you can have additional butter added to this, because we wouldn't want the bread pops to break out. That won't look nice. Additionally, what you can also do is, instead of chocolate spread, you can also prepare a chocolate ganache at home and add that to the bread. So what we are going to now do is take a little bread in our hand, mash it nicely, and we are going to slowly roll them into balls. And we also have to make sure that these don't break. So there goes one of it. We'll make a few more. Alright, so I have made a few bread pops over here. They are still not fully done. I'm using toothpicks over here. You can also choose the lollipop stick. What I'm going to do is, I have over here this melted chocolate. I'm just going to take this, dip it into it, and then we need this for the binding. Similarly, we'll do this to the other bread pops as well. And once we are done doing this, we need to keep this in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes, and then we'll continue ahead. Alright, so we have removed them from the fridge. Now we'll be dipping this in the chocolate. We need to get rid of the extra chocolate. And then just put a sprinkler of your choice. The same thing for the next one. Get rid of the excess chocolate. So the bread pops are ready. Do try this simple recipe at home and do mention in the comments section how did you like this recipe. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Foodscapes. Until we meet again.